Ever wish you had something different to wear to represent your favorite band, or just didn't have enough money to buy what you wanted? Let me show you how I DIY'd some 21 Pilots merch. Make sure you follow trademark and copyright laws. Check out how I made these themed bandanas and shirt. I used some simple and pretty inexpensive materials. I got bandanas on Amazon for $1 and a t-shirt at Walmart. Besides that, I used some painter's tape, acrylic craft paint, and then a few brushes that I found around the house. I used a Cricut machine to create stencils for my designs. I simply cut it out on plain contact paper and then stuck the contact paper down onto the fabric that I wanted to transfer to. I realize that not everybody has access to one of these machines though, so I want to show you a few other ways that you can add designs as well. One option is to use some materials you find around your house, like a bowl or something with a straight edge, to draw on the design you want with a pencil and then paint back over it. You can also use painter's tape, or any kind of tape really, to mark off the areas where you don't want paint to go. That way your lines are nice and crisp. Once the design is masked off how you'd like, use a sponge or a paintbrush or even a cotton swab to lightly dab on the craft paint. Make sure that you don't saturate it too much because it'll make the material crunchy. If you're using light colored material, you could also add your designs using a permanent marker. This won't show up though if you're using a black or dark colored t-shirt. Wait for the paint to dry fully. Here's another really interesting way to add designs. We used a potato and carved the shapes into it, and then used the potato as a stamp to add the designs. Once the paint is dry, carefully remove the stencil or tape that you used to mask off the design area. You'll notice I accidentally splattered some paint on part of my shirt that I didn't want it. So I just decided to make it part of the design and add splatters to the whole thing. Now you can proudly support your favorite band wearing your very own one-of-a-kind gear. Follow me on social media to see more of what I make.